Hello there, hello. Okay, so let's make some sirloin tips with some peppers and onions on the stove, okay? Let's do it. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. You know you like sirloin tips, okay? Share the video, share the video, share the video, and subscribe. Okay, check out my links below. Alright, let's do it. Okay, so we're going to be cooking it in this frying pan here. So let's turn that on. I'm going to add some olive oil to that frying pan. Enough to coat the bottom of the pan. That's it. Let me show you how much I put in there. Very, very little, way down there. Okay? Okay. Okay, now that that's in the bottom of our pan, the first thing that we're going to put in there is our cut up onions. This is one large onion. And 2 large red peppers. Okay, and let's season that up. Let's put some Lowry seasoning salt on that. Kosher salt. I'm going to be using some Creole seasoning. It's spicy. You can use black pepper or whatever seasonings you like. Okay, so we're going to let that cook down some first. I think I want to add a drop more oil on the top because I'm going to flip that. Okay, so we're going to let that cook for about maybe 3 or 4 minutes. I'm going to flip it over and then I'll bring you back before I put the beef in, alright? Thank you. Why don't I give you the word of the day while it's on my mind, okay? The word of the day is help. During this infection that's going on nationwide, some of us may need some help. So please don't be ashamed or afraid to ask for help, okay? Because if you don't speak up, people don't know. And maybe you need a ride, maybe you need something from the store, maybe you need somebody to just check on you. So the word of the day is, please ask for help if you need it. That's the word of the day. Okay, thank you. Okay guys, let's add our sirloin tips, okay? And I want to season that up. I'm going to add some garlic and herb. Some Lowry seasoning salt on top of the meat. And some more Brio seasoning. Okay, I'm going to let that cook for about another 3 minutes. Okay, and I'm going to add some gravy to that. So let me get the gravy. I'll be right back. Guys, I decided I do not want to put the gravy on it. It looks so pretty. I don't want to spoil my color, okay? So I'm going to put it over a bed of rice. Let me do that and show you, and I'll be right back. Thank you. Okay, guys, look at that. Huh? Oh, lost a piece. How about that? Let me taste it for you, okay? Oh boy, can't wait to taste this. Okay, I got some. Mmm. The burst of peppers and onions just like bursts right in your mouth. And the steak is very tender. That's a good quick meal, right? Bye-bye. Love you.